Hi, welcome to lesson 7 of Huen Jarn, single hand technique. Again, in the other you would have seen Huen Jarn, just turning, Huen Jarn. Now, down, Huen Jarn up, Huen Jarn this way, turning, stopping, dropping. For the single hand technique of white belt, the technique, try to apply it like so. Place the hands up, control the elbow, bring the hand, turn forward. This one striking back, this one hitting forward. So notice the waist, open, turn back, and then pivot. Power forward, elbow back. So it's a splitting power. Catch on this side of the body, turn forward. Open the hand, turn back to the center. So you're straight on. Now deliver and the hand. This is Huen Jarn. Now to apply the technique on the pad. A couple of different variations to train on the pad. First of all, you step in and Huen Jarn. Hopefully your partner can catch your elbow and turn, and elbow and turn, and elbow. There you go, elbow, ha, elbow, ha, elbow, hit, elbow. So that's your elbow. Then you get your partner to stand side on like so. You place your hand here, you place your hand, dropping. Not so much dropping down, down and forward. Down and forward. But not too fast so you're leaning. Making sure you're hitting with the heel of your palm. Then you can go elbow and hit, and elbow and depending on the next movement, how you want to train it, well then you can just ask your partner if he'd like to condition his stomach a little bit. You know, by hitting. So you get him to stand here, you stand behind him, you place a hand, you feel first, so you don't go, it's okay, relax. He's worried he's going to send him through the wall. Try there. Try there. So, let's just stay there for 1 second. What you can do is, if you've got a round back, like so, you can get him around back. And you can stand here, and then go here. Get him to move right up close. And here, because then you turn, and then you move. So you can train both hands here. Don't just look forward, make sure, look back. When you train your elbow, look back a little. So you can train here, and here, and then here. Then you can get an elbow here, elbow here, elbow change. Depending on how good your partner is with the technique and the bag. Again, if he doesn't have a bag, I suggest you tighten up, and when we relax, put your hands behind your back. Because later when you learn the Qigong, it doesn't matter what I'm going to hit him with here. You learn the Qigong. Here, just start out softly. The main thing is you want to make sure the elbow goes back though. Not just caught. Go back. Okay, so your Huen Jarn elbow, turn. Now we're going to apply the application for Huen Jarn. So the first technique will be strike forward for the head. Second will be pace out for the neck. Then turn to chop here, elbow in here, elbow to here, pace out of here if you want. Or 1, 2, chop down, chopping, chop up, turn it here, and finish. Okay. There are lots of smiles here and lots of excitement. So let's just get back to where we're format. White belt, number 7, single hand technique, Huen Jarn, and the application of the movement ready for grading. Pop to the head, pace out of the neck, turn straight through the neck, and turn back to the neck. Again, using your dice out here and your pace out, shutting the fist here. As an attack, here, forward, strike the head, pace out, strike the neck. Make sure jump over to the elbow and turn your body to pace out, holding. So you're chopping here. Making sure when you play your movement, you're thinking hitting through that, not just to it. Hit through it. And look at it. And watch things roll. Watch the eyes roll. Watch the head roll. Huen Jarn for white belt. 1, 2. That's why your hands are here. Control. If they happen to punch, everyone's like, you can just turn that straight here. This is Huen Jarn. One nice and slow for you. Strike his head. As he comes forward, here, pace out. Once you feel that pressure, take it away and elbow. And turn the hand back to pace out and dice out and tear. Feel the connection, feel your hand in the nerve point. This is Huen Jarn. Single hand technique in combination. A lot of fun, a lot of movement, but not unachievable. Very achievable. Enjoy the Black Mantis Kung Fu online training system. Enjoy training your techniques and enjoy utilizing them in battle. And use them well. Defend yourself very well. Attack aggressively, but not overpoweringly. Controlled aggression, controlled emotion is what it's about. We'll talk about some philosophies later on as we get through there. At the moment, let's just get the groundwork and our basis up and running. Let's get our body moving. Huen Jarn. See you there.